Hello, welcome back to my channel, your go-to source to real estate investing tips and strategies. Today, we are diving into the essential topic for all of your aspiration real estate investor out there: hard money loans for investment properties. Hard money loan can be a game changer in your real estate investment journey. They are short-term loan asset-based loans that can fund your real estate investment quickly, but like any financial tool, they come with their own set of pros and cons. Stay until the end to get the top 10 hard money lenders in the US right now. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell too. Let's get into it. What are the pros of hard money loans? Speed and accessibility. Hard money lender loans are typically easier and faster to obtain compared to traditional bank loans. This is a significant advantage in the competitive real estate markets. Flexible terms. You can often negotiate the terms of the hard money loan, allowing you for more customized solution to fit your specific investment needs. Approval based on collateral. Your credit score matter less because the loan is secured by the property you are buying. This makes it accessible to those with less than perfect credit. Cons of hard money loans. High interest rates. Interest rates on hard money loans are typically higher than traditional mortgages, which can eat into your profit. Short terms. Hard money loans are short term, usually 12 to 24 months, which means you need an exit strategy like refinancing or selling the property to pay off the loan. Costs and fees. Expect to pay origination fee and other costs, making the hard money loan more expensive compared to conventional financing. Now let's talk about what you need to look out for when consider hard money loans. The things to consider: lender reputations. Research your hard money lender thoroughly. Check review, ask for references, and make sure they have a track record of successful deals. Loan terms. Be clear on the terms of the loan, including interest rates, repayment schedules, and any potential penalties. Exit strategy. Have a solid plan for how you will repay the loans, whether it's through refinancing, sales, or other means. This is crucial. Lastly, let's discuss how you can make the most of hard money loans and keep winning using other people's money. The winning strategies: maximizing your ROI. Use hard money loans for properties with the potential for high returns, like fix and flip or short-term rentals. Build relationships. Cultivate relationships with hard money lenders. A successful track record and trust can lead to more favorable terms in the future. Educations. Continuously educate yourself about real estate investing and the local market. Knowledge is your most powerful tool. I have to disclose too that I have been a private lender, partnering with a few hard money lenders to lend my fund. Instead of earning about 5% interest rates with bonds, I understand the hard money lending well, enough that I can earn 10 to 13% interest on my short-term liquid fund. Next, let's go through a hypothetical example of a hard money loan to illustrate how it works. Imagine you are a real estate investor looking to purchase a distressed property to renovate and flip. You find a great opportunity but need financing to acquire and renovate the property quickly. Here are the property details. The property purchase price is $100,000. Renovation cost is about $50,000. Total investment needed is $150,000. Traditional financing. You approach a bank for traditional mortgage, but they require a lengthy approval process and you need the fund quickly to secure the property. Most of them do not lend to properties that require extensive updates. Hard money loan. You find a reputable hard money lender willing to provide you with a short-term hard money loan to cover the property purchase and renovation cost. The hard money lender offers you a loan at 12% interest and 4 points with a loan term of 12 months. Points are fee that prepay to the lender to secure the loan, and 1 point equal to the 1% of the loan amount. The loan amount is about $150,000. Interest rate is 12%. Point is 4. Loan term is 12 months. Let's do the cost breakdown. The interest 12% of $150,000 is $18,000. Point of prepay fee of 4 point at $150,000 equal to $6,000. Total loan cost is about $24,000. That is $18,000 plus $6,000. How to use the hard money fund? You use the $150,000 hard money loan to purchase a property for $100,000. You use the remaining $50,000 for renovations, repair, and other associated costs. The exit strategy is, with the property renovated and improved, you aim to sell it within the 12-month loan term. Upon selling the property, you will use the proceeds to repay the hard money loan. So here is the outcome. You successfully renovate the property, sell it for $200,000, and make the profit of $50,000 after paying off the hard money loan and associated costs. You repay the hard money lender the principal amount of $150,000 plus the $24,000 in interest and points. Your total repayment to the hard money lender is about $174,000. If you sell this property without an agent, then you can earn $26,000 net profit. In this example, the hard money loan enables you to quickly acquire and renovate the property, allowing you to make a profit in the short time frame. However, it's important to note that hard money loans typically come with higher costs, such as higher interest rates and points, making them suitable for short-term investment strategy but less ideal for long-term financing. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to hard money loans for investment properties. When used wisely, they can be a valuable tool in your real estate investment journey. Remember the pros, be mindful of the cons, and always have a game plan. Here are the top 10 hard money lenders as of October 2023. I also put the link in the show notes so you can have access to it promptly and easily. So if you found the value in this video, please support my channel right here by liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell for more real estate investment tips. Until next time, happy investing. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao.